In this video, we're going to show you how to install one of these covers on a 3500 Chevy Silverado 8-foot bed. It's really a piece of cake, but on a level from 1 to 5, I want to put it probably about between a 2 and a 3, because a slight little modification that you have to do if your railing needs it. And we're also going to show you how to put a lock on the tailgate in order for nobody to get into it. So let's go ahead and play the intro, and then afterwards we'll show you how it's done. Play it. We went ahead and bought a cover for this truck in order so we can have our boxes protected, in order to put bins and have it being able to be locked down. So what we're going to do today is that we're going to go ahead and install this guy. We're going to go ahead and put a lock on the tailgate and show you how that's done. So it looks like it comes with an LED light and a gasket. So it looks like the gasket, you can see here, it's on the edge of the bed. Inside, that's what that gasket is for. So I'm assuming right along this edge. Yep, right along this edge. I guess really I need to remove that box out so I can put this on. This is some of the hardware you get. You actually get 4 of these. These are the handles. You got 2 of these knobs. And then you got 2 of each. This is like metal, and this is plastic. This is the paper, says tear off and remove. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off. It says there, tear off the label, remove the rubber block. This is the rubber block that they're saying I need to remove, because I guess this is where, if you were to keep this open, you would insert it there and tighten this up. So like that, this won't fly open on you. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna go Step 4, slide the front clamp to the best position. Clamp the interface under the metal bed rail, and then use the triangle screw to rotate into the metal rod to fix the entire clamp. So we're going to do something like this, right down here in the bottom. We'll do the plastic one. Put it in here. We'll take this round knob. So that's how that goes. That's secure in there. Now we're going to go ahead and do the other side. There. In the corners, when I put the lid down, you got to make sure that it's even from both sides and back and forth. And I noticed there was just a little hairline daylight that I saw. So I took this cushion foam that you use for around the doors, and I just cut a small piece and put it in the corners, just to kind of get rid of the hairline light, just in case if I'm hosing the truck down. If it's raining, it's not going to be affected. I only see if I'm washing the truck, water will go in, but it's not going to be a big deal that some water comes inside, but just in case. So now we're going to go ahead and flip it down. We're going to flip this. Have another clamp that we can put down. And this truck I'm not going to be able to because this here, so it's in the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to do it on this last one. It's got this little nut here. Got to make sure it's lined up to this guy. The awl, and line up the nut. Same thing for the other side. So I had to do some modification to the handle because this groove was just not fat enough to fit in the lip that I had. So what I ended up doing was cutting this a little bit wider than the original. So no big deal, just took a little saw to cut it open, and now it should work to lock it in the back. So let me go ahead and give it a try. Just like that. I'm going to do the other side. I had to do some modifications here. This piece where the 2x4 goes was in the way, so I couldn't really hook up here. So basically I just cut out a hole. It's not the prettiest, but it works. So let me show you how we go. So we come like this. Bring this guy down. And snap her in place. And that's it there. Just go over. Latches down, and then right there. Now in order to prevent people opening up, I got this handle here, which has got a lock, which we're going to replace this. So let me show you how. I'm gonna have to take off all these screws. They're on this tailgate. There's a bolt right here that I have to remove. So basically, I'll take this TriStar and I'm gonna take them all off. It's a 1/2-inch socket that I'm gonna be using, the 1/2-inch socket. I'm just gonna go ahead and, there you go. Just loosen this guy. Put these two back. Just making it snug right now. I'm gonna have to close the tailgate. Just pops right out. It's gonna go right where we took that center bolt out, and then you have a washer and a screw. Carefully put it in place right there. Use a Phillips screwdriver, make it snug. I'm going to go ahead and use the key. So as you can see how it locks. The pin right there, it locks to prevent the handle. So let's go ahead and put that little housing in. Just gonna loosen it up. So now you can see that's unlocked and that's locked. So we're going to go ahead and tighten those bolts that were in the back. So we're going to take these two bolts back out so we can put that top cover back on. Put these two bolts back on again. And all the other little screws. So I put all those screws in, and then these two. Now we're going to close it, and there you be. There you go. Nobody can go in. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Down below, there's going to be a description of all the products if you're interested in them from Amazon. Remember, it doesn't cost you any more, but it helps us with our YouTube channel.